Hey everyone, my name is Dante and welcome to Dante's Farm. I have two bell pepper plants that I bought. This is a yellow bell pepper and this is a green bell pepper. I bought them on the same day, on March 29th of 2025. So it's been about 2 weeks and this is how big the plants have gotten. You can see the yellow bell pepper plant is blooming. The green bell pepper plant is also growing. So now is the point where I'm going to transplant these into pots and I'll show you how to do it. So here's my pot. It's a plastic bucket. It has watering holes, which is great and recommended, so that when you water the plants, the roots are also growing. It's 7 gallons, and this is how it looks. So I'm going to be filling it up with soil. I'm gonna put the plant in there, and then I'll put more soil around it. Let me show you how it's done. Here is some sizing comparison of the pot to the plant to the palm tree in the back. So this is the organic outdoor potting mix soil that I'll be using. It's 25 dry quarts. And to figure out how much soil fits into these buckets, I actually had the person who helped me at Home Depot get a plastic bag, put it around the bucket, and we started filling it in the store. So I'll show you how far we got along. About 50% of the soil in this bag almost filled out half of the bucket, as you can see here, right? So if you're planting multiple plants, you probably need 1 bag of soil for 1 bucket, as a rule of thumb. So you can see here, okay? And today we're gonna do 2 bell pepper plants. All right, so first thing, let's open up the soil bag. There you go. See the soil that's in there. We're gonna get it into this bucket now. The soil in there. And of course, we're gonna put on our mittens. All right, you got everything going. Let's get the soil in the bucket. All right, it's about halfway there. We'll take our plant to see. All right, we still want it to go a little bit more. Put a little bit more. All right, so we want to fill it to the top of the pot. We're gonna get our second bag. All right, it's almost full to the top. All right, so now we're gonna add some bone meal for added calcium and nitrogen. Bone meal, I would say about a handful. and just mix it in. Okay. And so now we're gonna get our yellow bell pepper plant, and we're gonna dig a little hole in here. And this is where we're gonna put our bell pepper plant. Here we go. You can see its roots right here. All right. Put it around. And that's how you transplant your bell pepper plant. And so now it's the turn for the green bell pepper plant. I've got it halfway full already. I'm gonna fill it to the top. I'm gonna add some bone meal, and then we'll put in the bell pepper plant in the middle. All right, let's get to work. Alright, so let's take a look at the green bell pepper plant. Oh wow. The root system right here. Alright, so the last part is digging a hole right here. This is where the plant is gonna go. And soil around it. Make sure it grows. And there you go. We just transplanted our green bell pepper plant. And last but not least, let's water our plants. And that's the final step to transplanting your bell pepper plants. Here's a yellow bell pepper plant. And here's a green bell pepper plant. Make sure you leave the plants where they can get enough sunlight so they can keep growing. We'll keep you posted on the progress. Make sure to follow me on this journey to growing up bell pepper plants. And that's how you start growing your bell pepper plants. I hope you found this video helpful, and I wish you all the best as you plant your own garden. Make sure to follow me on this journey to growing these beautiful bell pepper plants. Thank you.